What is it like to live in Sanderson Estates, and is it actually worth the price? I'm going to answer both of those for you. I'm Robin Gauthier, broker-owner of NextHome Tidewater Realty, and I just sold the only resale home in this neighborhood in just 7 days. So Sanderson Estates is a new construction community in the Hickory area of Chesapeake, Virginia. You can get anywhere in about 30 minutes, including Virginia Beach. And it's right here in Hampton Roads. And there's one builder, Kirbor Homes, with 18 floor plans across 3 collections. Construction started in 2021, and about 50 homes have been completed so far. The homes here start in the high 600s and go up to 1.2 million. And the average sales price right now is just under $1 million. But here's what actually sets this neighborhood apart: acreage. Every single lot has acreage, with most being 3 acres. And there's no restrictions. And in a market where builders are stacking homes on a 1/4 acre, 3 acres is almost unheard of. And that's why homes here have appreciated 30 to 40% since 2021 when construction began. And you can't fake land. So the schools are all Hickory schools. Hickory Elementary is rated 10 out of 10. And this is one of the highest rated school districts in Virginia. And buyers factor that into their decision. And the home I just sold, it was 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, nearly 3,500 square feet. It had an in-ground pool with a tanning ledge and a diving board. And it had its separate pool house of its own with a full bathroom. And we got all of that on 3 acres, built just 5 years ago. So a former client of mine saw my advertising, drove out here on a Sunday without an appointment, called me from the driveway, and I was there in 10 minutes. And by the end of that week, they had it under contract. So here's the bottom line. Homes that sold in the low 600s in 2021 are now selling near $1 million. And 3 acre lots. And there's no restrictions. Top rated schools. There's a reason this neighborhood is appreciating the way that it is. And if you're buying or selling in Sanderson Estates, I'm your person. I live here. I know every lot, every floor plan, every comp. Just comment Sanderson Estates for the complete list of homes that are being built and available. And again, I'm Robin Gauthier with NextHome Tidewater Realty right here in Sanderson Estates in Chesapeake, Virginia.